Good afternoon. My name is Tsecho from LuxLive Group. Today we're showing you our latest listing in Sandown, a very quaint and very exclusive small complex in Sandown. Today I'm showcasing a 3-bedroom simplex. Come on in and join me. What you have here, you've got 2 garages, one directly next to your entrance and another one on your left over here, which you could turn into a little storage space or a study if you want to get away from your family in privacy. Thank you. Come on in and join me. You've got your entrance in the house from your garage on those rainy days. Coming through the entrance wall, you are greeted with this beautiful classic chandelier in your entrance hall, which actually is quite spacious. You could have a little study nook maybe for your teenage child here, or work from home desk for during the days. You've got cupboard space all around the house as well, which is neat and very elegant. You've got your laminated flooring running through the entire house. You enter your lounge space that is quite spacious, that can accommodate a dining room space over here and a little lounge area going out. The doors are leading you into the garden, where you can have wonderful afternoons entertaining friends and family. You've got a little patio where you could set up an outside little dining table or lounges to get some sun. And bonus, you've got a built-in braai. And you could actually accommodate 2 little seating places. You can have couches by the patio and have chairs over there to dine and sit while you're preparing entertainment for your guests. Going through to the kitchen, which is a little bit private and separate from your lounge. But if you could actually break down the walls and make it into an open plan space. You've got your wonderfully fitted solid wood kitchen with space for 2 appliances, with your marble top stone counters, enough space on the counters to actually put your small appliances, enough cupboard space, and voila, you've got your wine rack happening there. You can stash up your lovely collection of wine. Coming out, come join me now, going into the bedroom spaces. The first bedroom on your left as you walk in is your smallest bedroom in the house. You could maybe purpose this as a nursery or another study if you actually have got space to spare for a little home office. Your second bedroom, much bigger than the first one. You've got your built-in cupboards, and you can fit possibly your double bed or your queen size bed, and it overlooks a little space on the other side where you actually have got your drains, a little mini garden when you've got your geyser for maintenance. The 2 bedrooms share a bathroom. The lovely part is that it's a 4 bathroom. You've got a bath and a shower where both occupants of your 2 bedrooms can really share what they prefer. Welcome into your master room, which you can make a little retreat for yourself in the house, where it overlooks the garden, it overlooks the sounds of the water feature when it will be eventually on. You could actually even have your koi fish in there if you wish. Fitted with an air conditioner. By the way, the house has got 3 air conditioners, 1 fitted in the lounge area, 1 fitted in the second bedroom, and another one in your main bedroom, where you could switch up the weather the way you prefer. You further will go into a walk-in closet where you've got ample space to keep his and hers, or maybe even if the lady's got enough clothes, she could take it up. And then leading into your master ensuite, you've got your shower space, enough space to actually accommodate 2 shower heads, and you could have his and hers share the shower. And a little cabinet, but really a beautiful, comfortable home that you can turn into your little haven in a safe and secure little complex. And now we're gonna go to the pool to wrap up our tour of this place. Come on, let's get outside. To wrap up, guys, we've just shown you a 3-bedroom in Sandown, around Sandton City. We've got here a lovely pool area where you can soak up the sun in the summer season. You've got your kiddie size pool over here and a large size pool that would be greatly sparkling in the summer, where you can have your entertainment. Signing out from Sandown. If you want to make this your home, please do get in touch with us at Lux Live Property Group via a phone call, or you can drop me an email, tseho@luxliveproperty.com. Thank you. Ciao.